Hi, I'm Quentin Kennedy and welcome to Kialla Pure Foods. Join me on a tour of our mill. We're located just outside Toowoomba on the southeast corner of the Darling Downs, which is where we source the majority of our grains. The Darling Downs is world famous for the quality wheat that it produces. We manufacture over 20 different types of grains. We take these to all stages of process, so whole grains, kibble grains, flours, and then even into pancake mixes, bread mixes, etc. They're milled using a mix of both traditional and modern milling methods. So we have the old stone mill for grinding the stone ground flours, and then we have more modern steel roll mills for flour manufacturing. When the truck arrives, we take a representative sample. We take this sample for testing so we know what the wheat performance will be. This test sample is tested in a number of different ways. Firstly, we grind the wheat into a flour and measure it for moisture and protein. Protein shows us the quality of the flour or the performance of the flour. The infrared machine will test and give us a printout on the moisture and protein levels. Next, we conduct a hectolitre test. This is essentially how much flour we will get from the wheat. We then do a sieve analysis, and this shows us the level of screenings that we will get from the wheat. These screenings are removed in the cleaning process prior to milling. It also gives us an idea of the level of weed seeds and other foreign matter which may be in the wheat. When we're happy with the tests, the grain is then unloaded into the bulk silos. It will remain here until we mill the wheat. We can store up to 6,000 tonne of different grains on site. Different size screens are used to sort the grains depending on their size. They're then put on a gravity table which sorts depending on bulk density. This removes any rocks, etc. that may be the same size as the actual grains. Any grains that aren't suitable for milling are then taken to our stock feed plant. This is our milling room floor. In here we have 4 different milling lines. Each milling line does or processes a different grain. Our main mill line is used to process wheat. The first stage of this process is called first break. Here the miller is checking the grind that he's getting on the wheat. This is so that he can then make adjustments according to the different flour qualities that we might want. Here's our traditional stone ground mill. This uses revolving millstones to grind wheat.